Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Arrow. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. It means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So today's reading is blessings and gifts coming your way. That is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So I have three lucky charms for you guys here. So for group number one, we have this shoe horse symbol charm. For group number two, it's a ladybug. And for group number three, it's four-leaf clovers. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition and choose the photo that calls to you intuitively. 1, 2, 3. Take your time, let go of all the worries and then select intuitively, okay? So the timestamps will be given in the description box. If you need more time, pause the video, take your time and then go ahead and watch accordingly, okay? So I'm going to start with group number one. Hello, group number one. If you have chosen this shoe horse, let's see what is your message. So what blessings and gifts are coming your way? So I feel the major blessing for you guys is like receiving some sort of compliment from your loved ones. That's something I'm getting. So if you are already in a relationship, maybe your partner might compliment you and you will feel very happy about it, or maybe you will receive a gift or a bunch of roses. That is also I'm getting here for some of you, a bunch of roses, and you will be very happy to have those roses. That's something I'm getting. Lilies also for some of you. You might receive lilies. Wait a second. Okay, yeah. So that's it. I feel like for group number one, Krishna is with you. Lord Krishna is definitely with you. He's always there for you. And whenever you're in trouble, he has a helping hand. So yeah, that's something I'm getting really, okay. And I'm getting the flute. I'm getting the flute. Maybe for some of you love to use flute, or maybe you use flute, or it's like it's also like expressing yourself the way you want, not going with the rules and all, like creativity, expressing yourself, wearing the dresses you love, like expressing your own style. So that is something I'm getting. You're becoming more confident in a way. I feel like you're expressing yourself more. If you create music, you're going to express yourself more the way you are. It's like something unique you are going to create, or some unique way you are going to dress, and it will be liked by everyone. Or maybe you will dress up and your spouse or your partner may really give good compliments, or your friends might give you good compliments. Oh my god, the way you styled it, it's so beautiful. So that's something I'm getting here. So a lot of compliments I'm seeing. Maybe it's for your strength, maybe it's for your courage, but I feel like confidence is going to shine through you, and people will see that you're be very confident in yourself. So whatever dress you're wearing, you will be feeling confident, and it is going to shine, and people will see that you're feeling very confident. So that's something I'm getting here. Okay, so that's a gift I feel like, and a gift of, like, with the first card here, with strength. I feel like a gift of strength is what you're getting, or already you are. I feel like as a person you have changed a lot. You're becoming more courageous, more strong. Okay, not it can be physical strength as well, but for me it's like mentally you're becoming more strong. You are not afraid of criticism, or you're not afraid what others think of you. Maybe you were in the past, but now what I feel like is you are understanding yourself in a way you didn't understand you before. Now you're accepting yourself, so you don't care if others accept you or not, because you're not finding I feel like you're seeking love from within. You don't want you're not searching for the love outside of you, because you had been doing that all your life. Now what I see is like you're seeking that love and confidence from inside of you. Yeah, there is a major shift for you guys. I feel like, so for some of you, you have already stepped, you're already stepping into that power. For others, I feel like you are going to step into your own power, understanding that you hold value, your work hold value, and you are valuing yourself. Maybe in the past you didn't do it, but what I see is like you're going to appreciate yourself more and more and more. You didn't do that before. And yeah, sometimes we question why I had to go through so much struggle. So look at this tree. This tree's roots are so strong, right? And that's what was happening. Your roots were becoming strong. So maybe you haven't seen progress a lot in your life, you had a lot of struggles, but you have, because of the struggles, you have learned a lot of things about yourself, about others, right? Maybe for some of you there had been a lot of failures in your work, and through these failures you have understood what works for you, what doesn't work for you, right? So finally what I see is like you're finding the balance. You're finding harmony within yourself. You're not seeking harmony outside of you, rather you're finding that inside of you. When we find it inside, we see that outside. That's how manifestation works. Like law of attraction definitely works. Like if we are relaxed enough, if we feel that we have it, that is when we receive it. When we are like chasing, we will not receive it, right? So I feel like you have done that a lot in your life. You were chasing after things. Maybe in relationship you were chasing, you were trying so much, you were changing for other people. Now you're like, no, that's not working for me. You're understanding that, and you're going to deep take. I feel like for some of you, you might have been consulting therapist. Okay, you have been working with them, so you are understanding your deep wounds, and you're finding courage within. That's what I'm getting here. You're doing that work. You're definitely doing some shadow work, and that's going to be very, very beneficial for you guys in your future. Okay, so don't lose hope right now, because the strength that, like the strength, you have that strength to overcome all the challenges and difficulties. You're not weak, you're very, very strong. Okay, and I feel like this, your own strength is your gift. The strength to face every adversity with a smiling face. That's what I feel for group number 1. And we have the number 2. Yeah, balanced partnership, good partnerships. I see that for you guys. If you're single, definitely there is a person coming your way who will make your heart beat faster. So that's something I'm getting. Or maybe you will feel that butterfly, we see that butterflies in my stomach, that kind of feeling maybe for some of you. Definitely this person is, maybe for some of you I'm even getting like you have closed your heart, like the door is closed, but some person will come and they will make it open. So that is also I'm getting for you guys. That, yeah, in blessing and love, for many of you, loving yourself. For some of you it's self-love, for others it's like a person is coming and giving you that love. Maybe it can be a friend also who is opening your heart, like that can also be the thing. Or it can be a child. It can be a child also that will open your heart, and you will feel that love. Okay, so definitely there is a lot of love around you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Good luck in love. Okay. Okay, look at the light. There is so much light, so definitely you're moving towards light. Then we have second chakra, Archangel Ariel, 36 number. 9. Yeah, you have been doing some work with this 9 number. You have been learning a lot of lessons. For some of you, you have been doing that shadow work. Okay, and I feel like you were healing your sacral chakra. Maybe you had a lot of issues with that chakra, like related to fertility. Like maybe for some of you, you had problem conceiving, sex related issues or reproductive issues, something like that. I feel like that's healing for you guys. That area you will see major healing, and it's like you're going to birth something new. For some of you it can be a idea that is going to take place. For some others it can be a birth of a child. Not for everyone, but definitely I see like you're birthing something. And when we conceive, like when a mother conceives a child, it takes long time. We have to nurture, they have to go through a little bit of difficulties, then only they will get that beautiful child, right? So 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 remember that always, okay? Don't be in a hurry burry, be patient with yourself and others as well. That's something I'm getting. But definitely there is a lot of there's a lot of divine love I'm getting. Krishna, definitely Krishna is there for you guys. Lord Krishna, I'm feeling that energy. And express yourself, don't be afraid to express yourself. Whatever you do, if you are in a corporate career or you're a creative person, express yourself. You don't have to copy, you don't have to follow the trends, you can express yourself and be unique with it, okay? And I feel like that's what is happening. You're going to get a lot of unique ideas, or maybe you already have this unique idea in your mind. Work on that, okay? Work on that, believe in it and work on it. There is some sort of learning also I'm getting here, learning a new skill or polishing a new skill. Yeah, maybe you used to do something in your past, now finally you're getting back to it. Like there was a closet in your room that you haven't opened for ages, now finally you're opening up and taking the old products and working with it. For some of you, definitely I'm getting that energy also. Yeah, or maybe for some of you, yeah, for some of you I'm getting albums, like looking at the past and feeling proud of yourself that how much you have overcome a lot of things. So that is also I'm getting here. So you will be very like, yeah, because of all these things in the past that happened, that's why I'm strong. Yeah, you will be understanding that also, I feel like, okay? And yeah, definitely there is money coming your way. As I told you, there is a person who might come. For some of you, this can be a person who is going to give you love, soulmate energy. That's something I'm getting, or a friend that will turn into lover for some of you. But for others, it can be like, for some of you, you have a plan, you have an idea and you need money for it. So someone will come and so share your ideas with people so they can know. So they can know that what you can do, so they can help you, right? So you need to share your ideas, don't keep it to yourself, share with your friends. Right now I feel like it's important for you guys to share. Like if you are in a business or if you're an artist, like email them, ask like if they want to sponsor you or something like that, it's like doing that, like coming out of your shell, emailing people, asking for that money, like asking. Sometimes we do that, I'm not so aware of it, but yeah, sometimes for sponsorship also, if you want, you need to seek that, right? So go and seek for that. Or if you have an event coming up, go there, connect with people, because I feel like there is someone who will give you money to do something that you always wanted to do. Or maybe if you are struggling, I feel like money wise, if you have certain struggle, there is money coming your way, someone will give you some money. Or if you're working for someone, they might give you some extra cash. So definitely money wise, a financial growth, or if that there is some sort of financial gain I'm getting here for you guys. That will be a gift. For maybe for some of you, this person might give you a gift of money. I'm not saying winning for you guys, like winning lottery and all, but it's like someone is giving you that gift. Maybe your boss, maybe a person you met, or maybe you're getting a donation, I don't know, but definitely there is some sort of money. Or maybe someone will like your work and they will want to invest in your work, like because they know that you're very talented and this work will gain attention, so they are ready to invest in your work. So something like that I'm getting. Okay. Oh wow, look, we have money coming. Money will be coming to you. Definitely money is coming for you guys. Or maybe for some of you, if you're in a relationship right now, maybe your spouse will have a gain. That is also I'm getting. Maybe your spouse or your partner will get bonus, or their salary will get increased, and because of it your lifestyle will also change. Okay, so one step further, that's also I'm getting here. And for others, it's like if you're working hard, definitely there is gain in money is going to come for you guys. So don't, or maybe you have an idea, you need to start doing that idea, develop that idea, go for it, go for that project, because that will give you a lot of abundance. Like in money wise, finances here, finances growth, financial growth, there is growth happening. Okay, Yeah, clarity is also coming. So for some of you, I feel like with this money thing, you're feeling very stressed about money, where this money will come from. Maybe you want to start something and it needs money, so you're like stressing about it, where this money will come from. And here spirit is telling, yes, there are people around you who will help you. Definitely there is help around you. Okay, so maybe that can be a blessing, like getting money. When you will not think about it, that is when you will receive that money. Yeah, I'm getting like when you let go of it, that is the time it will happen. And it doesn't sound very exciting, right? But that is the thing. So definitely your clarity, you're getting a lot of clarity, clear information is coming regarding money also. So for some of you, I am even getting, you might be able to turn your passion into career. That is also a blessing. But you have a gift, you're very creative people, that is your gift. And of course your strength is your gift. You can face any challenges, even though you don't know it. You have that strength. So present your ideas. If you get any chance, present those ideas. That's something I'm getting. So yeah, again we have this Knight of Cups and we have this bunch of roses. So definitely a message is coming your way. Maybe it can be related to your work also, like someone is like offering you something, like giving you a collaboration. Maybe they will see your work from somewhere and they will be ready to collaborate with you, and it will give you a lot of success. So that's something I'm getting, or a lot of financial increase. Okay, and this can also be a person who you are going to be in love relationship with, or maybe you will start dating with this person. Okay, or maybe even chatting. Maybe it will start as you will be messaging a lot and then you will meet them. Okay, but definitely this person is little bit flirty but but they're genuine also. I feel like they were genuine, or maybe for some of you through this person, or maybe this person will give you that finances also, like help you with money. That's also I'm getting here. Maybe they will buy you good things for some of you. Okay, so yeah, a lot of cute energies I'm getting here, like spending a lot of time talking that kind of. If you're single, definitely that's something I'm getting. Yeah. Oh, we have Seven of Pentacles. Definitely, I told you, the roots are very strong. You have not seen the result right now. You're waiting for the result. You're waiting for the finances. You're waiting for someone to invest in your project. You're waiting for that gain, for that bonus. Or maybe you're waiting for that good relationship. So you were getting strong, you were healing. Now you're ready to thrive. That's what I'm getting with the Seven of Pentacles. So definitely your wishes are coming true with this Nine of Cups. And yes, the hard work, it's like the wishes for you guys, it's like you have been working hard for this thing. It's not something that is coming out of nowhere. You're not getting lucky or something. Like it's something you have been working towards. You have been praying for it. You have been giving your 100%. You have been looking into your shadow self. You're working on your shadow self. You have been patient. So yes, group number 1, you have been doing a lot of work. Yeah, it's very easy to blame other people, right? And it's very difficult to work on yourself. And I feel like you were working on yourself, and you're making that root stronger and stronger. Now your tree will not fall because your roots are stronger, right? Now it's time to thrive. Look, she's like, I told you with this light also, it has taken a lot of strength from you. It has taken a lot of it has taken a lot of strength. Now you're ready to receive. Yeah, for some of you it's like a relationship. You're waiting for a good relationship, a good partner. Maybe you had faced a lot of issues in your relationship. Finally that's happening for you guys. For some of you it's like you have been wanting a kid. You have been going through a lot of fertility treatments, or you have been praying for it, and you have been healing those past issues, and now you're ready to get that wish. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. And for others it's about your business, or about your creative projects, or about your career, that or maybe you want to get that raise in your money. And that's what is also happening for some of you. Definitely there is someone who will help you with money. Okay, and definitely you're going to be very clear. If you are very unclear right now, if you don't know what to do next, things are going to get clear. Okay, things will be clear. Okay, you will receive for some of you it's like this message also. For some of you, you will receive a message and things will be very clear, crystal clear, because this is a blessing and a gift. I feel like right now there is confusion, but this confusion is going to definitely end. Again, we have this child. For some of you, definitely it can be a child. For others, as I told you, it can be a project, a new project that you hold near to your heart, that's coming into fruition, and that will give you a lot of coins, a lot of blessings. But definitely it's a start of something new that is going to gain momentum slowly, and it will give you a lot of success. And others, it can be a girl child. I'm getting for some of you it can be a girl child. Yeah, or maybe you're hoping for a girl child, you're wishing for a girl child, you already have boys and you're wishing for that girl child. So maybe for some of you that's also the case. And look, wow, look, positive work outcomes. So for you guys, if you are collaborating with someone, if you have a project, definitely the work is going to be very rewarding for you guys. I feel like it will be better than you are hoping. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Okay, so for some of you, I feel like there is a back pain issue that is going to heal, or maybe you need to seek a doctor for that. Okay, if you have a back pain, or maybe you're taking too much on your plate, if you're working too much, maybe you need to create a buy a planner and create, schedule things. Don't try to do everything together. Don't force your don't work too much. Like, I feel like back pain issue is strong for some of you. You need to rest, guys, for that, if that's the case. Okay, or maybe you have been planning to start doing exercise, you want to exercise, but you don't feel it because your back is hurting. Maybe you need to check upon a doctor. Okay, everything will be okay, but take care of your body. That's very important, because you work. For some of you want to work, you want to achieve that goal. So you are maybe for some of you might take your health for granted. Don't do that. Okay, so consistent efforts will bring rewards, and a major purchase is worth making. Okay, for some of you, it that with this 9 of cups, you will have the money to buy something that you have been longing for years. Yeah, it's a wish. Maybe it's a car, or maybe it's a house, and for that you are saving money, and you will receive some extra cash, so you'll be able to buy. Or maybe your spouse is getting bonus, and so you are able to buy that house. And for others, it's like you have been waiting that raise in your income. That's happening. Okay, so that's the message for group number 1. I hope you liked the reading. If you liked, give it a like, share, subscribe, comment. I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye bye. Hello, group number 2. If you have chosen this ladybug, let's see what blessings and gifts are coming your way. So I'm drawn to this number 6. We have 6 legs, and so I feel like you are moving towards peace and harmony, because after the challenges, after the action, there comes peace and harmony. So there are people who are helping you. There is a lot of love and support around you. That's what I'm getting. So you're moving towards the people who will help you, who will listen to you. That's what I'm getting here. Or maybe the people who used to not listen to you are going to listen to you, because your energy is going to be good. So I feel like people are going to listen to you. That's what I'm getting. Maybe your parents didn't listen to you, now they're listening to you, they're taking your advice. So because something might have happened, and they have seen that how strong you are, and now they're trusting you more. So maybe there was a person who didn't trust you, or maybe they were like, no, this person is not capable. Or maybe in your workplace, your boss didn't trust you, but now what I'm seeing is like the people who didn't trust you are going to trust you more and more and more, because they have seen how dedicated you are, how hardworking you are. So that's something I'm getting here. And definitely we have the green. Okay, and with this green also, like a lot of healing is happening in your family. Healing is happening. If someone's health was not so great, I feel like their health is going to get better. Okay, so if someone was struggling in your family, like mentally, if someone was struggling, they are coming back to life. That's something I'm getting. They are getting that happiness back. Okay, and you will be very happy for them. Okay, that's also I'm getting. And for some of you, even if you're looking for a job or a new place to live, or to move to a new country, I feel like that's happening. Yeah, the thing that was not working for you is going to work for you. That's the thing. Yeah, if something was not working for you, you were feeling like everything is against me, and when you have shifted that energy, when you are out of that vibration, things are going to go good for you guys. So definitely a job, a good work environment, that's what I'm getting here. Yeah, good work environment. So I feel like for group number 2, you have been meditating or maybe doing certain meditations, like visualization and all. So because of it, I feel that visualization is all working for you guys. Okay, if you have been visualizing, you're on the right path, right track. Keep on visualizing because that is working for you. Okay. So let's see. Wow, we have miracles. So the thing that you thought will never happen is going to happen. That's what I feel like. Look at the butterflies, there is transformation. For some of you, I feel like you thought that this person might never change, this person might never accept me, and finally they're accepting you. So it's kind of a miracle. Okay, for some of you, I feel like with something with ears, maybe you want to pierce or something like that. Maybe someone was against it, they didn't allow you to do that, maybe because of their, I don't know why, but that's something about piercing. Okay, you wanted to do some piercing or maybe a tattoo, and someone was against it, and because of it you were not able to do it. Finally this person will be like, go and do it. Like they will not be against anymore. And I feel like you didn't want to disrespect this person, and that's why you didn't do it. And yeah, I feel like you're very respectful, so that's why you didn't want to disrespect this person, so you listen to them. But finally what's happening is they're like, yeah, just go and do it. What do you want? If you want to do tattoo, go and do it. Like something like that. So a person who stopped you to do something is like giving you that permission. And it's not that you need permission, it's because of respect you didn't do it, right? You were waiting for that permission and you're getting that permission. You never thought that it will happen, but it's happening. So something like that. Okay, and it will be such a miracle for you guys. And I even feel like that this pile is going to see a lot of miracles happening in your life, like small miracles, like signs from spirit. If you ask for a question, you're receiving those answers. So some like seeing amazing things in nature. So that's something I'm getting. And with this butterflies, definitely a beautiful transformation is happening for you guys. You're transforming as a person. So maybe for some of you with this piercing and all, you might change your style. Maybe it's like your hair, you want to do something with your hair, you want to cut your hair, but people are like, no, don't cut your hair is so beautiful. And because of it, you were just waiting for the permission, finally getting the permission and going for it, making the change. So transformation, definitely a beautiful transformation is happening, and you're going to be amazed by how people are supporting you. You never got that support, but finally you're getting that support, and it is now, it's going to amaze you. That's what I'm getting. You'll be so happy, and yeah, I'm getting like a lot of happiness. You will get the permission, and you'll be so happy to do it. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of respect also. I feel like the people who didn't respect you or bullied you are going to respect you. Give that love. And I even feel like that a person didn't like you, and I feel that person might become your friend or something like that also. Like some miracles, like some amazing things are going to happen. Like you have faced a lot of troubles in your life because of certain people in your life, and they are changing. Or maybe for some of you, moving away from those people. But what I see is like a troublemaker. There was a troublemaker in your life, and that person is changing entirely. The attitude towards is changing entirely, and you're like, oh my god, what is happening? You can't believe, like that kind of energy I'm getting here. So let's see, you got one extra card. Look, happiness. Yes, so definitely you're getting something. You're getting like, maybe for some of you, you're approved of something. Maybe something was stuck. Maybe your visa was stuck, or maybe something you wanted to travel and you were not able to travel. And finally, that is getting unstuck, and you're able to do that what you always wanted to do. Right? So something that you applied for, rejected before, but finally it's not. You will apply again. It is going to be selected. So once there was rejection, where there was rejection, now you're going to get that selection. Does it make sense? I don't know, but something like that. Okay, so yeah, you got rejected once, now some miracle is happening and you're getting selected, and it will lead to a lot of immense happiness. Look at the word happiness. Like it's a springtime for you guys. I feel like that you're going to see that flowers bloom, your hard work is paying off, and look at the bird. Such a beautiful view, right? With the flowers, such a beautiful view, and you will be like going through a neighborhood that you always go through, and you will feel so beautiful. Oh my god, this neighborhood is so beautiful, because your eyes are shifting, your energy is shifting, you're seeing all the beauty in the nature, because you're feeling so happy from inside. So definitely an amazing news is coming your way. A person is changing their attitude towards you, and you're feeling amazing from inside. Okay, that's something I'm getting. And we have the number 7 and 4, and 4 is all about structure, stability. So feeling stable in yourself, feeling stable with this person. Okay, maybe yeah, or maybe your kids were giving you a hard time, and finally they're understanding you, and things are shifting for you guys, right? And so you're very happy. Or maybe you didn't talk to a person because they were angry with you, and finally they're coming back talking to you, and it's giving a lot of happiness, right? So that's something I'm getting. Look, door to personal healing and happiness. Look at the word twice, happiness, happiness. So definitely, and with the number, 34 is also 7. So 777. So maybe you're seeing a lot of 777. That can be a sign from spirit. So definitely a lot of happiness, a lot of transformation, personal healing is happening. You're forgiving people. Yeah, the people who didn't respect you, you're forgiving them. You're not holding on to resentments anymore, and you're blossoming. A lot of major transformation. The way you're looking is also, there is a glow up. Definitely I see something is glowing up. You're looking very beautiful, you're glowing up. If you're men, you're looking very, very very handsome. So something like you are shining. You're going to have a major glow up, guys. So definitely. And look at the rainbows here and the rainbows here. Your reading is full of signs I'm getting here. So look, we have 2 7s, right? And we have this rainbows here. So you are going to see a lot of signs, or you're already seeing a lot of signs. So take that signs and believe in it, because definitely major transformation is waiting for you. Major changes are coming your way. People are changing, surroundings around you is changing. Something that was stuck is unstucking. Like things are unlocking for you guys. So there was a lock, now you're opening the lock because you have the key right now, right? You didn't have the key, but you're getting the key. Or maybe for some of you, getting that key to success, how you can make that success. You're getting that idea, right, that you always wanted. So the doors are opening, right? The doors are opening, the happiness, and you're feeling that happiness from inside. I feel like you are changing. You are also changing. You are changing from inside, and things are changing outside also for you guys. Okay, that's something I'm getting. I feel like you have been disappointed over something, and that disappointment is ending. Okay, you were disappointed on someone or something. They're changing, or maybe you're letting go of them. That is also, disappointment is ending. That's something I'm getting here. Maybe for some of you, you don't have a job right now, and you have been searching for jobs. Finally, you're getting a job, and that can be a disappointment, not getting a job. And finally, there is a lot of challenges. Finally, you're getting the job, and you're feeling so happy, like you got the job you always wanted to get, and you're feeling happy from inside. And this job will help you to move forward. With this job, you will be learning a lot of things. So it's like a lot of pieces also coming your way. So yeah. Oh, we have for you guys, we didn't get this for group number 1. You have a month, September. So maybe this is the time when everything will manifest for you guys. Okay. That's also I'm getting. Yeah. September is going to be an amazing month for you guys. Definitely you will see all the fruits of your labor. Everything September month. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Or maybe for you guys, September month might be significant, so that will be for you guys. Okay, let's see. Yeah, affairs with your family. So something with your family is going to resolve. Definitely, that's like as I told you, you're getting permission for something that you always wanted to do. Finally, they didn't give you the permission, and you didn't want to disobey them because you love them. So you were just waiting when they will give you the permission, and finally getting the permission. So something with your family, you're getting the permission. They are supporting you. You always wanted their support, and finally you're getting the support. So it's like you're getting the support of your loved ones, of your ancestors. That's also with this tree, of course your ancestors are around you. And again we have a tree here, right? So you're branching out. Yeah, you're branching out, like lot of success is also happening for you guys. You will see that growth. It's like personal growth for many of you. You're growing as a person. And with this affairs with your family, maybe your family had a wish, and I feel like you will be able to fulfill that wish of your family, and so everyone will be happy. They will be so proud of you, and you will be so happy. So yeah, maybe your family wishes are coming true. And for others, it's like news is on the way. Maybe your family, someone in your family has a good news for you guys, or maybe you will be happy, like your sisters, if you have sisters or brothers, they're getting married, or yeah, or they have a child, they're pregnant or something like that. Like, yeah, that's some good news about your family. Or maybe a person who is not feeling well, they are feeling well. So something about your family is there. So good news is there in your family. Okay, you will be very happy because you love your family, and something amazing is happening in your family. Okay, yeah, we have this despair energy. So look, this is a person who is like, nothing is working in my favor. What I'm doing, I'm seeking jobs, and jobs are not working, the environment is not nice. Why this person is treating me like this? Like a lot of pain and hurt, and finally that is what is ending for you guys. Okay, so yeah, definitely, maybe for some of you, you keep on failing in, if you have exam, you always fail that exam. Finally you're passing that exam, finally you're making your family proud. So yeah, things are moving forward for you guys. Again, we have the number 5, and then as I told you, I was very attracted to the number 6, and we have the number 7 twice, right? So yeah, so we have 4 number also. So yeah, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, isn't it? So yeah, things are going to move forward. Don't worry, this energy is going to end. A chapter is ending. Yeah. Look, Queen of Wands, feeling independent, financial freedom. Feeling independent, like, yeah, now I can do the things that I want to do in my life. I'm getting the permission to go out, travel alone. Like, I'm getting the permission to do this, do that thing. My family is also supporting me in this, so I'm feeling so happy, right? Yay! That is the energy I'm getting for you guys. Finally, I'm making others proud. Look at the candles, lot of light surrounds you, and you are just enjoying. You're so happy. Look at, she's so happy, and we have the word happiness. So you're going to be very, very happy with this thing. Some approval you're getting that support, and it is going to make you so, so, so happy. It's like a winning moment for you guys, I feel like. Yeah, I feel like with this Empress, someone was trying to control you. They were telling, do this, do that, do this way, you're good for nothing. And I feel like this person is like, their heart is melting. I'm getting like that. Someone is melting. Someone is like, the person who was very rigid, stubborn is melting. And they are showing that kindness to you. And because of it, you're feeling like, oh my god, what miracle is happening, how this person is changing. You're so amazed by it. So something like that also. Okay, and for others, it's like you're taking your power back, you're standing up for yourself, you're speaking your truth, you're not giving in to anyone, you're doing the things you want to do. But definitely group number 2, you are very, very respectful people, so you want to respect this person, so you're not going to disobey this person. So I feel like this person is melting, and they're giving you the permission. Go, do the thing, go for it, do whatever you want to do. I'm there to support you, because even though this person is little bit stubborn, rigid, you love them. Okay, you love them because you know that this person loves you. Even though they are strict, you know that They will always be there for you, right? In your struggle, when you're struggling, they will be there for you. So yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Someone is melting. Someone is like becoming like, they are kind. I feel like they're kind, but they control people. I feel like they will stop doing that also. Something like that. Yeah, and so you will be so happy. And for others, definitely you're taking your power back. For some of you, you want to step that, you want to move forward in your corporate ladder or something like that. You're getting that power, maybe a position you always dreamt of. Like, this person is working hard and you're aiming for that position, but you're not getting that position. So there had been challenges, there had been problems, there were people who were backstabbing, but finally what is happening is like you're getting that position. Like, people are seeing your dedication, your hard work with this. Yeah, Aries energy I'm getting, like you've been very dedicated, you have been working hard on something. Finally you're getting that, that position that you want, and it will make you so happy. And yes, with this Queen of Swords also, you know your boundaries now. For some of you, it's like you're going to stand up for yourself. You're taking your power back with this Emperor and Queen of Swords. I feel like very strong energy, like confidence is coming. You're speaking your truth. You're not allowing people to walk all over you, and that's the reason I feel like people are going to respect you more, because you used to say yes to everything, and so people took you for granted. Now you're not going to do that anymore. You know who you are. Like, you're taking stand for yourself. You're prideful, I'm getting. You're not giving in to everything. So that's why you have a boundary now, and people are seeing your power. Okay. And something with words, the way you speak, the way you talk is very good. Your speech, your communication is going to be very good. Like, your throat chakra is healing, I'm getting a leadership quality. You have this leadership quality, and that is coming front. People are seeing that. You have definitely, group number 2, you definitely have some leadership quality. People will follow you. So yeah, so there were people who were criticizing you. The people who were criticizing you are going to be on your side. That is something I'm getting here, group number 2. Okay, so that's a blessing. So intuition, trust your intuition. It's a great time to learn a new skill, change careers, or invest money. So yeah, your intuition is very, very strong. The intuition is going to guide you. Take that leap of faith, move forward with your intuition, because if you feel like, yes, I need to invest money in this, go for it, because that will be very, very beneficial for you guys. Okay, with this change careers, what I'm getting is like change in your position. For others, if you have been looking for a career, new career, definitely that's happening. It's like you're going to feel proud of yourself. Yeah, you'll be very proud of yourself. That's what I'm feeling like, group number 2. In all your life, you were not so proud, but finally you're like, yes, I wanted this, I got it. So I'm really proud of myself. You're going to be proud of your own transformation. Okay, this energy is out. This despair energy is no longer in your life. That's what I'm getting. And September month is going to be very important. Maybe these all will happen at the time of September. Like, slowly you will see the progress, but maybe if you want that position, maybe you'll get that position by September. Okay, or maybe, yeah, September month is going to be important for you guys. So that's it for group number 2. Hope you liked the reading. If you liked, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Group number 3, if you have chosen this 4-leaf clovers, a bunch of 4-leaf clovers, let's see what blessings and gifts are coming your way. So with this bunch of 4-leaf clovers, what I'm getting, like, you were searching for one, but you're getting a bunch. So you're just asking for one wish, but you're getting a lot of things. Like, one thing will lead to another, and then it will lead to another. So maybe you're just asking for a partner right now, but this will lead to marriage, then it will lead to you having kids. So something like that. It is that's what I'm getting, like, yeah. So for some of you, it is a major blessing is in your love life. If you're single, or if you had a lot of relationships that were not so good, I feel like finally you are getting a commitment that will be for lifetime, forever. That kind of commitment I'm getting here for some of you. So definitely this is reading, I feel like it's a love reading, like love life like major blessing in your love life. That's what I'm getting. Or it can be also about self love, like loving yourself. Maybe you have a passion that you want and you're loving that thing and it is going to grow. So that's also I'm getting. Okay, so you just asked for a job for some of you, or maybe you just wanted to sell something on Instagram, but that will, like, you will start selling 5 products, then you will 10, then 20, like it will grow. So something that started small, or maybe you just hoped for a small thing, but it will turn into a big thing. That is your blessing. Okay, so yeah, let's see what is it. So yeah, we have uncertainty. You're very, very uncertain of this path. Maybe a relationship, like a person, maybe you are single right now, but you're like, am I ready to date? Or maybe you had a lot of relationship that didn't work out, and because of it you are uncertain about getting into a relationship, but you are hoping to get into a new relationship. You're hoping to make your passion into a big thing. You're just hoping, but you're very uncertain. But I feel what is the blessing is this uncertainty that you have right now is just a phase. It's just a temporary thing, right? It's not permanent. It will move, it will go away. So this, if you're going through an uncertain period in your career or in your love life, whatever it is, if you're single, you're like, oh, I don't want to date anyone, I will be only single, like maybe you're thinking like that, but that's going to go. Because this path, she's ready to move. She's standing here, she is like debating whether she should follow this path or not. This path is clear, right? There is a deer, there is a lot of love, right? Deers are all about love, and there is butterflies because there is a lot of transformation going to happen, but she's standing still. She's not taking this step back. She's just contemplating whether she should go or she should not. And here Spirit is telling, take that first step. Yeah, so there is someone in your life who is who wants your attention, but maybe you're overthinking whether I should get into this relationship, whether I should start talking, or maybe should I start to maybe you have a passion, whether should I do it or not, like you are uncertain about it. Like here Spirit is telling, it's like start doing it. You will as I told you, it will start out small, but it will grow into something big. But there is uncertainty, but you need to trust your intuition and go. I feel like intuitively you know that you need to keep moving forward with it. If you feel like it, go for it. Okay, and right now it's uncertain, but it's not going to be like that forever. You will be very certain about this path that you're going to take. Okay, so there is beautiful transformation happening for you guys. So it's like also you were like waiting for a bus. It didn't come for like 20 to 25 minutes. You were waiting and waiting and waiting. Then all the buses are coming together. So that's something I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, yeah, romance. Definitely for some of you, this is romance. Door to romance is opening up. So a lot of people are going to seek attention from you. Like a lot of people will come. So choose someone who you feel intuitively aligned with. Or maybe for some of you, there is a person that you want to spend your life with, and I feel like that person is going to open that door. Okay, so maybe they didn't open in the past, but I feel like they're opening now. For some of you, that is the thing. Or for some of you, this person might come to you. They will tell you that they like you, and then it will start out as a small thing, like let's be friends. You will be like, let's be friends, and then friends to lovers, then partners, then like it is going to move forward. So this relationship that is coming your way, it's going to be a potential one. That's the blessing, I feel like. So you will be uncertain about this person at first, but then you will be certain about this person. That is also the thing, right? And we have 33 number, right? 33 might be important for you guys, significant. And then we have 6. 6 is the Lovers card in tarot, and Lovers card is all about soulmate energy, right? So if you are in a long-term relationship, if you're already in a relationship, I feel like this is something about what you love, what is your passion is. Okay, if you're uncertain about it, well, whether I should take this passion or not, front ahead, go for it, because this thing of you, that thing, that the passion you have will give you a lot of love and happiness. Okay, and yeah, it's time to free yourself from this cage. Maybe you have locked yourself, so it's time to free yourself. I feel like freedom. Maybe for some of you, you want freedom, financial freedom. That is also what is coming. But I feel mostly about love. Look, yeah, adjacent possibilities. Yeah, creative solutions are coming your way. So if you feel like, oh my god, this is the way, I thought this way is the way, like with this uncertainty, they are like knocking on the wrong door and things are not happening, you're feeling uncertain, but there are a lot of doors that are opening for you guys, like a lot of creative solutions will be given to you guys. And I even feel like with this adjacent possibilities in romance also, there might be a lot of people who will be wanting your attention, but definitely you know who is the one. Your heart will know it and go with that. This time you're not wrong. This time you're not going to enter into a wrong relationship. That's what I'm getting here, because you have grown as a person. You can understand the red flags and all. I feel like that. So that's what. And if you're losing, if you have lost hope right now, here spirit's telling there are so many creative solutions. There are so many possibilities for you guys. Okay. Okay. That's the thing. So just be patient, because things are happening for you guys. Doors are opening for you guys. Lot of opportunity I see for you guys in terms of love, in terms of your passion, something regarding your life purpose also. For some of you, you want to do certain thing in your life. You're right now you're uncertain, but things are opening up for you guys, because we have a door here also, then we have a lot of doors here. So like limitless possibilities you have. You're not seeing it right now. You're like a little bit uncertain, and that will go. That will go. It will take time, but it will go. Okay. We have 7 number here, we have 6 number here, and we have 6 number again. So 2 6s, like healing your past, moving forward. A lot of healing energy is also happening here. Okay, in love life also you might have gone through a lot of things, but that's healing for you guys. Definitely a lot of doors are opening, a lot of possibilities, lot of opportunities. Look, again we have a door. Opportunities are waiting for you guys. Definitely there is a lot of opportunities. Sometimes our mind thinks, yeah, there is no opportunity there, we cannot do anything, or I have started this thing, what if this doesn't pan out? You think a lot of things, like if this doesn't work out, what I will do. If one thing doesn't work out, there will be another thing for you guys. There will be doors waiting for you guys, so don't worry about it. Okay, so definitely with this door, a new portal is opening. Maybe this 1111 was a very yeah, I feel like 11 was very important for you guys. Yeah, your energy has shifted. A lot of opportunities are coming your way. Definitely be clever. I feel like you're going to be very clever, and I even feel like there is a friend around you who will help you with these things, with opportunities. If you're not good in like business and all, if you're not good in finances, there is someone around you who is very good at it, so seek help from them. Okay, they are a blessing to you guys. Maybe a friend, maybe a person who you know, or maybe your parents who are very good in managing finances, so ask help from them. Okay, I even feel like financially things are going to be good for you guys, like with this bunch of 4-leaf clovers. You were just expecting this much amount of money, you will get like 6 times more than that. For some of you, that's also I'm getting here. So you'll be like, oh my god, what I'm going to do with all this money? So you need to be clever, so seek help for that. Financial matters for some of you, if not good in that thing, seek help. Okay, and I feel like there are people around you who you can trust. Look, peace and harmony. Wow. So this relationship will give you a lot of peace. Right now you're uncertain about this person, or about this creativity thing that you have, about your passion, but as you move forward, things are going to be very good for you guys, and you are going to get that peace and harmony. You will be very certain. When we are certain, that is when we have that peace and harmony, right? When we are uncertain about something, we are like very stressed. So right now maybe you're uncertain about your path, but as you move forward with this path, you will become more certain and more certain and more certain. That's what I'm getting here. Group number 3. Okay, so yeah, we have 10. Look, interestingly, you have 10 of swords and death and rebirth. So definitely a cycle has ended for you guys. This painful cycle has ended. Maybe painful relationship, the people who used to stab on your back, the friends that were not good for you guys. You maybe in career also, you worked and worked, you never got anything back. So a painful cycle of hurt, pain, resentment is ending. You're healing from it and you're moving forward. So this is a beautiful transformation that is happening for you guys, because we have the death card and as well as the butterflies. Butterflies speak about transformation. So you have learned a lot of things, right? when a person is sneaky, when a person is not good, when you understand all the red flags also for some of you, I feel like. So you know who will be good for you guys. So when when you're meeting new people, you know who is good. You can see through the lies, and I feel like that is your gift. You can see through. You can sense energies, and you're very good at it. So that's your gift. So use it wisely. And I'm seeing a painful cycle is ending for you guys. Now you don't worry about anything. Yeah, I feel like you're not going to worry about anything. Right now you're a little bit uncertain about this path, but I feel like you're going to move forward with it. You have that courage. So beautiful things are waiting for you guys. Yeah, for this pile I feel like you have struggled a lot for the past years. For years you will be like you have been waiting, but nothing was happening. But finally your time is coming, I feel like. Look, we have, for some, look, we have this chariot energy also here. Movement, progression, recognition, not recognized for your work, people taking your ideas, people playing with your money, people taking money from you, not returning back to you, money problems, everything I feel like for you guys might have happened. And you were like, why me, why I had to go through all this pain? But finally you are understanding your own power. And you have worked a lot with the shadow, white and black horse, right? You have been working on your shadow side. You have been healing from your past. Now you're ready to jump. Now you're ready to move forward. For some of you, there is a travel thing also happening with this adjacent possibilities. I feel like maybe you will get an opportunity in a different country, a job or something like that. Or maybe you will be able to travel the world, or show your craft, or give services to other people in different countries. Or maybe you will be hosting seminars, workshops that will be helpful for other people. Yeah, something like that. Maybe, yeah, your work will travel all over the world. That is also I'm getting. And for some of you, it's like you will be traveling with this person a lot, or maybe you will be traveling with this person to a different country. That is also I'm getting. As I told you, like it will start out something small and then it will grow. So maybe you might go to a different country also. That is also possible. But definitely your work is going to get rewarded, recognized. Your ideas are going to get recognized. The truth is coming out. So maybe for some of you, if someone has backstabbed you, I even feel like that person's truth is coming out. Everyone is going to see the truth. Okay, maybe there was a scenario for some of you where that person cheated on you and put blame onto you. Okay, but finally the truth is out and people are seeing that you were not the person who did that. That was that person just framed you. So if I'm even getting like someone framed you and they made you the bad person, but they were the bad person, and finally truth is coming out. And yeah, there is a lot of rest, there is a lot of rejuvenation. For some of you, you have gone through a bad phase in your health. Yeah, there is healing. Finally peace and harmony is coming. Like your health was very bad, mentally you were very feeling very low because of this relationship or something. Like you're healing, you're moving forward, you're rejuvenating, you're breaking. I'm even getting for some of you breaking that pattern that was going in your family, like ancestral pattern. Like sometimes a family has that. Now you're the one who is going to break that pattern. For some of you, that is also. But definitely healing is something I'm getting here. Your health is improving, drastic improvement in your health, mental health, moving forward, having the energy to travel, having the energy to go forward with your plans, with your passion, having the energy to date new people, having, finally trusting people again. Maybe you lost the trust, finally you're trusting people again, right? So that's just something I'm getting here. And your beautiful gift is your own determination. You're not going to give up. And yes, you can see through other people. That's something I'm feeling like. It's your gift. Like you can see through the dark people. You can see through the darkness like an owl, right? So yeah, again we have this romance here. For some of you, definitely romance. After a long time, like you have dealt with a lot of wrong people, finally you're meeting the one. Okay. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those seeking a connection. And I feel like someone is not ready here also. And Spirit is telling, you are ready. Maybe you feel like you're not for romance. You feel like you are not, a romantic relationship will not work for you guys, you need to let that go, let that energy go. Okay, it's not like that. You were not at fault. Okay, just it was just wrong timing. You didn't meet the right people, but now you are going to meet that right people. But you know, sometimes you had to sometimes we have to learn those lessons. Yeah, sometimes it's very harsh, but that's how life is, right? But now I feel like if you're already in a committed relationship, your romance is going to be like vibing. Okay, you will be very happy with your person, you will be traveling with your person, you will have a lot of opportunities, your person will support you in your career, in your growth. That's also I'm getting a lot of peace, a lot of happiness, a lot of harmony. Okay, so that's all I have on group number 3. Hope you like the reading. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.